Hey guys, Slice of Concessions here today. Today we're going to show you how to begin the disassembly and cleaning process for any 99T, 88T, RMT series that use this series types of pumps that you see right here. So to begin on the bottom, after you finish rinsing out your mix, what you're going to do is you're going to take off this cover right here by unscrewing this, okay? Once you remove the cover by unscrewing this little bolt here and pushing it down, you're going to see something on the right side just like this, okay? So to begin the disassembly, what you're going to do is remove all the fasteners. So we're going to start here until it drops, open, let it drop, okay? If it's stuck, just push it down a little bit, you just want to drop this arm here. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to pull this hose out like that. Pull this hose out and remove the top hose, and here you will get the whole assembly for the pump lines. And from here you could break down this, you could remove, undo this right here. You will break down the hoses, the feed tubes, everything here. Always inspect your hoses when you're doing this. Anything's cracked, ripped, or whatnot, just replace it so you will have your pump good to go when you reinstall everything. And undo this one right here. And there we go. And you'll take all these parts right here to clean, sanitize, dry, put back, all these right here. The hose, the lines, and everything here, okay? After removing the bottom section, you should work your way to the top. So after you disassemble the bottom of the pumps, you move to the top of the machine. So what you're going to do is you're going to remove these 3 pins right here. Just like that, okay? Put these aside, take out the 4 head bolts. Now that you have that off, you can remove the door. Gently rock it. And boom. Take that off. So everything you will clean here will be the plungers, 1, 2, and 3. The handles, 1, 2, and 3. The pin right here. Your bleed tubes right here. And then you'll check the seals on the outside here, okay? You want to make sure they're good, no cracks. Make sure they're nice and rubbery and bouncy and lubey so they seal properly. So remove this, take this pin out, okay? Push down your handle. Push down on your handle. Just like that, okay? Make sure you inspect all the O-rings on these as well while you're cleaning. Just replace as you need to. And you'll see that your centerpiece has a different style O-ring. There's just a centerpiece, so you can differentiate between the side ones. And this one as well. And to take out your bleed tubes, there's also 2 little O-rings on this that you should check. And this one. And that's your whole door assembly, okay? Put that aside. And the left and right will be the same. So what you will do is you pull out the auger. So this is your guide. Make sure there's no excessive wear. This should be pretty fitted when you put it in to maintain alignment like that. So that just prevents your barrel from bouncing around. And if that's not right, you'll eventually build scoring on the side of your barrels. So what you want to do is you're going to pull that out. You remove your assembly like that. You remove your blades. This is also a really good time to check your blades, okay? Good blades are very important to the functionality of your electrical freeze machine, or in general, all ice cream machines. So you want to check that when you have it out, okay? Replace them as needed. Don't skip out on this. And then you check your rear seal. So in this case, this seal, right? You gotta look out for this. If your seal is too flat, what you gotta do is you gotta replace it. If it's way too flat, that means it's not gonna seal properly in the back, and when you pressurize the system, the mix will come out the back. So make sure you check this and the O-ring inside here while you have it off. Replace as necessary. So repeat on the right side. Same deal. Check seals, check blades. If you look at this blade specifically, you're gonna notice that there's this worn edge right here, okay? You wanna look out for that, because that should be a sign when you start replacing your blades. Something better, this is what you want in your blade. See how angled that is? You're gonna see how sharp that is compared to this side? You want your blade to be like that, okay? Now that you have all your parts out of your machine, you're gonna clean them, sanitize them, air dry them, what you gotta do, and that's how you clean your machine. Thank you for checking us out at slicesconcessions.com. For more information on ice cream machines, please check us out at our website. Have a good day.